Oh, you know what that means, huh? Hi, kick. Hi, hi, leg break. Yes. Are you performing? Are you performing? Peekaboo. Yeah, what? Are you gonna roll? Are you gonna roll?
So you know the other part of the audio one.
Very pensive.
What's up, crazy roller? What's up, crazy roller?
No, he's not gonna roll.
No, he's like, get that phone out.
There you go.
Up. Are you thinking about it?
So what about the
this?
thing?
What about this? Oh, you can go get it.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
So what about the thing, honey?
The other part of the audio when it's in the purple room, you know that?
Of the audio, yes, I do. And all I do is just plug them in and turn them on, right? We can do that. What?